Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video about how to use vibrato correctly and how to get a good sound out of vibrato. So there's a couple of schools of thought. Number one, a lot of metal players will have a super fast vibrato, like that. Kind of sounds like a really boingy, weird kind of noise. More of the traditional players like blues and jazz, you'll have a very slow, super slow vibrato. Nothing too crazy. First thing you want to do is find an anchor point similar to the video I made about bending. Thumb up and over. And turn your hand as if you're opening a doorknob. What you want to avoid is this. Something like that, like you're scratching the fingerboard. Bring your thumb over and turn your wrist almost as if you're turning a doorknob. The easiest way and the cleanest way you're going to get a vibrato. Instead of just jumping right into it too, come up with some of your favorite phrases. And in your very last note, give it a little bit of vibrato. You don't want to go too crazy. Don't get too nervous with it either. Nice and simple, super slow, super relaxed. Is your ring finger maybe? That's starting your pointer finger. Is your ring finger? Pointer. Ring. Just go back and forth with some of your favorite phrases. So hope that helps, and we'll see you soon.